Hello everyone. So in this last segment, we learned about what is alimentary canal, complete information from mouth to anus. And today we will discuss about the glands which are connected with the alimentary canal, especially pancreas and also liver. Pancreas and also liver. Today topic is connections of pancreas, liver and duodenum. Okay, so the topic is connections of liver, pancreas and duodenum. Very important. సో మ్యాక్సిమం చాలాసార్లు రిపీటెడ్గా అడిగినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ ఈ టాపిక్ నుంచి. సో చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, ఈజీగా అర్థమయ్యేటట్టు చెప్తాం మీకు. ఓకేనా, చాలా ఈజీ టాపిక్. సో ద కనెక్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ లివర్, ప్యాంక్రియాస్ అండ్ డియోడినం. హౌ టు కనెక్ట్ ఈచ్ అదర్ ఇన్ ద డియోడినం రీజియన్. ఓకేనా, సో లెట్ us draw a simple diagram. So this is the esophagus, stomach, and this is duodenum. Okay na, and here jejunum. Next continue to the jejunum. Okay na. Just above the stomach, so this is the diaphragm. It differentiates abdominal cavity from the thorax region. Okay na, and here liver. So liver generally major lobes are 2 and the minor lobe, inferior lobes are 2. There are 4 lobes in the liver, but the major lobes are 2. So this is the right lobe and the left lobe. So these right and left lobes are connected by a ligament. So this is a ligament. So this ligament is called as falciparum ligament. Falciparum ligament. Okay na, and this is right liver lobe and this is left liver lobe. Okay na, right liver lobe and left liver lobe which are connected each other by a ligament that is called as falciparum ligament. లేదంటే ఫాల్సిఫామ్ లిగమెంట్ అంటాం. ఫాల్సిఫామ్ లిగమెంట్ అంటాం, ఫాల్సిఫామ్ లిగమెంట్ గా చెప్పుకుంటాం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద స్టమక్. ఓకేనా, సో అండ్ ద లివర్ సెక్రీట్స్ బైల్ జ్యూస్. ఓకేనా, వీ నో పెటివేల్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ ద sac like structure, so that is called gallbladder. So this is the gallbladder structure. Okay, this is gallbladder structure. Gallbladder, it stores the bile juice. And released through a duct. So this is the duct. So this duct is called as cystic duct. What is that? Cystic duct. And especially here there are 2 ducts are there. One duct from the left lobe and another duct from the right lobe. Okay na, so from the left lobe it is left hepatic duct. left hepatic duct. Okay na? And this is right hepatic duct. Right hepatic duct. Right hepatic duct. Okay na? So from the left lobe there is a duct that is called as left hepatic duct. From the right lobe, from the right hepatic, sorry. So this is the left and this is the right. So right lobe and left lobe. Okay na? So a duct from the left lobe that is called as left hepatic duct, and a duct from the right lobe from the right lobe, right hepatic duct. There are fused to form a common hepatic duct. Common hepatic duct. Okay na? So left and right hepatic ducts are fused to form a common hepatic duct. So the common hepatic duct fused with the common hepatic duct fused with the cystic duct, and to form a common bile duct. What is that? Common bile duct. So this is common bile duct. What is that? Common bile duct. Okay, first from the left lobe there is a left hepatic duct. Okay na? From the right lobe there is a right hepatic duct. Okay na? Right hepatic duct. So both right and left hepatic ducts are fused to form a common hepatic duct. Okay na? This common hepatic duct fused with the cystic duct from the gallbladder. Common hepatic duct fused with the cystic duct from the gallbladder and to form a common bile duct. Okay na? Right. So here a leaf-like structure. So this is what exactly? Pancreas. What is that? Pancreas. Okay na? From the pancreas, so this is pancreatic duct. What is that? Pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct is otherwise known as duct of Wirsung. What is that? Duct of Wirsung. Duct of Wirsung. Here the common bile duct fused with the pancreatic duct. Okay na? Pancreatic duct. Pancreatic duct is otherwise known as duct of Wirsung. Okay na? Duct of Wirsung. Here there is a sphincter where the common bile duct opens into the duct of Wirsung. Here there is a sphincter, so that is called as sphincter of Boyden. Sphincter of Boyden. So the common bile duct opens into the pancreatic duct. So it is a opening of common bile duct is guarded by, especially the opening of common bile duct is guarded by the sphincter, that is sphincter of Boyden. Sphincter of Boyden. And here the common bile duct and pancreatic duct fuse to form a common hepatopancreatic duct. What is that? Hepatopancreatic duct. So this is hepatopancreatic duct. Hepatopancreatic duct. Both common bile duct and pancreatic duct are fused to form a hepatopancreatic duct. Hepato means related to the liver. Pancreatic means pancreas. So both hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum. Opens into the duodenum. Before opening, there is a wider like ante a sac-like structure, ante it dilates before opening. So that is called as hepatopancreatic ampulla. Hepatopancreatic ampulla, or otherwise known as ampulla of Vater, ampulla of Vater అని చెప్పుకుంటాం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? Here there is a sphincter where the opening of hepatopancreatic duct into the duodenum. Here there is a duct, a special sphincter. There is a sphincter. That sphincter is called as sphincter of Oddi. That sphincter is called as sphincter of Oddi. Sphincter of Oddi అంట. Sphincter of Oddi. That is Oddi sphincter, where the hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum. That is, opening of hepatopancreatic duct is guarded by a sphincter that is called as sphincter of Oddi. Sphincter of Oddi. Okay, and one more duct that is very, very important. So the pancreas is directly opens into the duodenum through a duct. It is directly opens into the duodenum through a duct. So the duct is called as duct of Santorini. So the pancreas is directly opens into the duodenum through a small duct that is called as duct of Santorini. Okay na? So this is what exactly, and this is duodenum. And this is stomach, and this is esophagus. Okay na? Once again, simply I will repeat. So here there are two ducts from the liver. From the left lobe, left hepatic duct, and from the right lobe, right hepatic duct. Both left and right hepatic ducts are fused to form a common hepatic duct. What is that? Common hepatic duct. So that is fused with the cystic duct from the gallbladder to form a common bile duct. Common bile duct fused with the pancreatic duct from the pancreas. The pancreatic duct is otherwise known as duct of Wirsung. What is that? Duct of Wirsung. Okay na? So here the pancreatic duct, here the common bile duct fused to form a hepatopancreatic duct. Here the opening of common bile duct is guarded by sphincter that is called as sphincter of Boyden. Okay na? And the hepatopancreatic duct opens into the duodenum. Before opening, it becomes swell. That swelling is called as hepatopancreatic ampulla or otherwise known as ampulla of Vater. Okay na? The opening of hepatopancreatic duct is guarded by a sphincter that is called as sphincter of Oddi. Sphincter of Oddi. And one more duct is duct of Santorini. Okay na? The pancreas is directly opens into the duodenum through a duct that is called as duct of Santorini. So these are the connections of liver, pancreas and duodenum. Okay na? Thank you and all. So నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.